Friends, today we are going to talk about two underrated cities that have become symbols of development in their respective countries. One is Gurugram in India and the other is Guangzhou in China. But how big is the difference between these two? Which city is more advanced? And can Gurugram ever compete with Guangzhou? In today's video, we will first understand one city completely, then the other, and finally do a direct comparison between the two. Let's start with Gurugram. Located right next to Delhi, Gurugram, which was earlier known as Gurgaon, is today one of the fastest growing cities in India. If you look at Gurugram from 20 to 25 years ago, it was just a simple area. But today when you stand here, it feels like you are in an international city. Tall glass buildings everywhere, large corporate offices, and a high-end lifestyle. This is Gurugram today. The biggest identity of this city is its corporate culture. Offices of major companies like Google, Microsoft, and Accenture are present here. Areas like DLF Cyber City and Golf Course Road give Gurugram a global look. People working here come from different parts of the country, which also makes this city feel like a mini India. But Gurugram's story is not limited to just glamour. In reality, most of the development of this city has been driven by private companies, especially real estate firms like DLF, which have played a major role in building it. This is the reason why on one hand you see world-class buildings and on the other hand issues like traffic jams, waterlogging, and lack of proper planning. Talking about transport, Gurugram has metro connectivity which connects it to Delhi. However, public transport within the city is still not that strong, because of which most people depend on their own vehicles. That is why traffic becomes a major problem here. Now, if we talk about the economy, Gurugram's economy is growing very fast and it is considered one of the biggest business hubs in India. There is a huge network of IT, finance, consulting, and startups here. But still, this city is at a stage of development where a lot of improvements are needed. Now let's move to Guangzhou in China. Guangzhou is one of the largest and most developed cities in China. It is not just a city but a mega city where the population is larger than many countries. This city has been a center of trade and commerce in China for centuries. And even today, it is one of the world's biggest manufacturing and export hubs. If you stand on the streets of Guangzhou, the first thing you will notice is its planning. Wide roads, organized traffic, and an advanced metro system. Everything is very well designed. The city's infrastructure is so strong that millions of people travel every day without major issues. Guangzhou's metro network is one of the largest and most modern in the world. Along with this, high-speed trains and an international airport connect it efficiently with other cities and countries. The technology and smart city systems here make it feel like a futuristic city. Now, if we talk about the economy, Guangzhou's economy is several times bigger than Gurugram's. Manufacturing, trade, technology, and finance, all sectors are very strong here. That is why this city holds an important position at the global level. Talking about lifestyle, people in Guangzhou get better public services such as healthcare, education, and transport. The government has developed the city in such a way that people face minimum problems and get maximum facilities. Now, if we compare both cities, the difference is clearly visible. Gurugram is a city that is growing rapidly, but it still needs a lot of improvement in planning and infrastructure. On the other hand, Guangzhou is a city that is already fully developed and has established its identity at the global level.